Hey there, money adventurers. Ever wonder why some people seem to have a magic money tree while others are always running on empty? It's not always about how much money you make, but how you think about money. A lot of us get taught one way, but what if there's a totally different, maybe even easier way to build wealth? In this fun cartoon adventure, we're going to unlock the simple secrets my rich cartoon dad taught me. Secrets that can help anyone, even you, start thinking like the wealthy. What's the big difference between a rich dad way of thinking and a poor dad way? Get ready, because it might just surprise you. So grab your thinking caps, because our cartoon friends are about to show you the super simple steps to financial fun and maybe even your own money tree. Imagine you have two friends. Let's call them Ricky and Penny. Things that cost you money, like that brand new toy you just had to have and now it just sits there. Those are often liabilities. Ricky's poor dad taught him that his house is his biggest treasure. Penny's rich dad taught her that a house is just a place to live, but things that make her money are the real treasures. Ricky does, and now he spends a lot of money on the mortgage, repairs, and taxes. Penny's rich dad says, first, learn to buy things that make you money. Then, you can buy a nice house with the money your assets create. Well, money is kind of like a game, and financial education is learning the rules so you can win. Now, what are these things that make money? We call them asset. Think of them like little money-making machines. It's not just for grown-ups in suits, it's for everyone. So, remember, Ricky thinks his house is his biggest treasure, while Penny focuses on things that bring money in, those awesome assets. Penny's rich dad said, go to school, get good grades, and learn about money and how businesses work. So, while Ricky focused only on his grades for a job, Penny also learned about making money in different ways. But wait, does this mean owning a house is bad? Not necessarily. Let's dig a little deeper. Ricky's dad says, work hard for a good job so you can buy a big house. It might sound scary, but even small amounts can grow. Your first step, start thinking, is this thing I want to buy going to put money in my pocket, or just take it out? The rich dad idea is all about focusing on getting assets that make you richer, instead of just things that make you poorer. But if you plant them, they can grow into bigger plants and even produce more seeds. Maybe it's saving up to buy something you can then sell for a bit more. Or even just putting some money in a savings account that gives you a tiny bit of extra money over time. Imagine trying to play a video game without knowing the rules. You'd probably lose pretty fast, right? And it can be, that's why it's so important to learn and start small. The rich dad mindset focuses on learning about money, acquiring assets that make money, and making their money work for them. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or all your money in one risky thing. Financial education just means learning about money, how to save it, how to grow it, and how to make it work for you. So, just like learning the rules of a game helps you win, learning the rules of money, that's financial education, helps you become financially successful. Where do you even begin to learn about money? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. First, understand the difference between assets, things that make you money, and liabilities, things that cost you money. Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Second, never stop learning about money. Financial education is your superpower. And third, start thinking about ways to make your money work for you through simple investments. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you don't miss our next awesome video. Ricky's poor dad said, go to school, get good grades, and get a safe job. By investing in her business, she made even more money. Every little step you take towards understanding money is a step towards building your own money tree. Start small. Ask your parents about saving, watch videos about money, or even think about simple ways you could earn a little money. The rich dad encourages learning about money constantly, not just relying on a paycheck from a job. Think of your money like little seeds. If you just keep them in a jar, they'll stay the same. Investing is basically putting your money into things that have the potential to make you more money over time. Just like planting seeds can give you more plants, investing your money can potentially give you more money in the future. What kind of seeds can you plant? Let's look at a super simple example. Penny took a small part of the money she earned from her lemonade stand and bought some supplies to make even more lemonade. Even if it's just a little bit, think about ways you could use your money to potentially make more money in the future. The rich dad focuses on making money work for him through investments, big or small. Now, some people might say investing is risky. So, the poor dad mindset often focuses on working hard for a salary, spending most of it, and thinking things like houses are always the best investment. Alright, money masters, let's recap the big lessons from our rich dad adventure. Remember, the core message is simple. Focus on getting assets and learning about money, just like a rich dad would. You might be young, but it's never too early to start thinking about your financial future. Did these simple money secrets make sense? Give this video a thumbs up. And hey, if you want to unlock even more easy to understand money secrets and join our fun cartoon crew on their financial adventures, hit that subscribe button right now. What's one thing you learned today that surprised you? Know someone else who could use these simple money tips? Share this video with your friends and family. Let's all grow our money trees together. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Let's get financially smart together.